これ北海道で出るやつか。
やだね。あーめっちゃ見た。めっちゃでっかいよ。やばいやばいやばいやばい。めっちゃでっかい。めちゃくちゃでっかい。
餌が来てる。リンゴじゃん。
Just stand there. See.
みんなこっち。
You see? Hokkaido brown bear.
I didn't see its face. I can't see it.
Just stand there. No, it's okay. Give it.
I can see its face.
Yeah, you can see its face. Very good.
Can we move on?
Wait. 1 second. I want to click a picture and then.
Do they like the water?
Yeah, it's a brown bear. Can only stay in very cold. So Hokkaido is up north, which is where it snows in Japan. That's why it's called that. Okay, come. Let's go. No, this side. Now this side. So you want to do the Japanese black bear and the Malayan sun bear? What is it? Okay, seal. তুমি কি ওখানে থাকবে? They are coming here down.